Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you are safe and sound. Dear viewers, when we write on PowerPoint presentation slide, sometimes the font comes at 6s and 7. Though we select the font, it comes reverse. Today I will show you how to write Bangla correctly by using Abro keyboard and NikoshBAN font on PowerPoint slide. So watch this video first to end. I believe that after watching this video you can use Abro keyboard and NikoshBAN font properly. Before starting the main topic, I request you to subscribe my channel please. Now get started. At first open your PC and click on Start button. Then you will find out PowerPoint 2016 and click on it. Next you will have to click on blank presentation slide. Now delete add title and add subtitle text boxes. Next click on insert and middle of the slide you will see text box. Now click on it and create a box on the slide. Now go home page again and also go to font group. Now select NikoshBAN. After that you will go to Abro keyboard and select Bangla. Next you will see drop down menu under it. Now click on it and select Abro phonetic English to Bangla. Now see caps lock key on or off from your keyboard. If it is on, do off. Now type Bangla in the text box. And see it is okay or not. If it is not okay, go to the taskbar at the right side corner bottom of the page. Now click on this option and select Bengali India. Now write in the text box again. I am sure that it is okay. That is, Bengali writing is okay. In this way you can type correctly. So my dear viewers, if you subscribe my channel, thank a lot. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. And do like, comment and at last click on bell icon. Thank you very much for watching this video up to end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.